So why can't we tax the rich? Why aren't the wealthy taxed more? They don't need to worry about making enough money to pay for food, rent, bills, and even taxes. So why don't we just get rid of tax loopholes? Thank you for watching College Tax Refunds. My name is Steve Hunt, and I'm a certified public accountant, and I'm also the consultant for prosperity and adventure. And today I am in front of a photograph I took of the Bargate medieval gatehouse, that's what it's called, in Southampton, England. I'm going to lean each way here so you can take a good look at that Bargate. And I want to share my own answer to the question today that I found on Quora that says, as a liberal, I don't understand why the wealthy aren't taxed more. They don't need to worry about making enough money to pay for food or rent or bills and taxes. So why not get rid of the tax loopholes? And maybe you've had the same question as this questioner. You wonder why we don't raise the taxes on the rich. Well, the direct answer to the question, why aren't the rich taxed more, is that the rich have always paid for the political campaigns of the elected officials, such as the congresspeople in the Senate and the House of Representatives. The people who pass the tax laws are funded by the rich. And so if they vote to raise the taxes on the rich, well, they're punishing the people who got them elected, and they are voting themselves out of power. Thus, politicians who truly want to raise taxes on the rich don't get elected, and they don't stay in power very long. It's a very unfortunate system. There may be lots of good reasons to increase taxes on the rich or to make them pay their fair share. There may be a lot of worthy government projects to spend that money on. And truly, the rich do benefit from the tax code much more than the poor. There are lots of loopholes that we could close that are benefiting the rich. Certainly, the rich benefit from things like the depreciation deductions and Section 179 deductions, the bonus depreciation, where they get to write off virtually everything they spend their money on. And the rich get to also pay lower taxes on their capital gains because of the lower capital gains rates. And they also, because they own companies, get to pay lower taxes on their dividends. The rich people benefit from these things a lot more than the poor benefit from the tax breaks that we give to the poor, such as the Earned Income Credit, the Child Tax Credit, the American Opportunity Tax Credit, and even food stamps. We have a system that is built to benefit the rich, and once again, it's because the rich put the people who write the laws into power. And until the political system truly provides power across the board to everyone equally, regardless of their status, their wealth, or regardless of whether they already have power, until we actually give power to everyone and not just the people who are already in power, these kinds of changes are very unlikely to happen, unfortunately. Now, what do you think, though? Why don't we tax the rich more? What do you think of my answer? And should we tax the rich more? Go ahead and put your thoughts and comments below. And I found this question and I answered it on Quora.com. And you can find me there as Steve Hunt and ask me your questions either in the comments below or on Quora.com, and I'll try my best to give you an answer. Before you leave, please like this video and subscribe and try some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Slava Ukraini!